Chandra Namaskara, which means moon salutation. Moon salutations are less practiced and less spoken about, but that doesn't mean that it has less significance. They are as important as sun salutations. Moon salutations has exactly opposite benefits of sun salutation. Sun salutation helps us in heating up our body, whereas moon salutation help us in activating lunar energy, which helps in calming, soothing and feeling de-stressed in our body. If we practice moon salutations more, it allows us to create creativity in us. So without talking much, let's see what is moon salutation and how to practice it and when to practice it. So grab a mat and let's get started.
Chandra Namaskara, which is also known as moon salutation. It helps in cooling and quieting us, and it also helps in calming our mind and drawing more attention inwards.
Moon salutations are advised to practice in front of moon, and it is also advisable that when you practice moon salutation, you should be more conscious about your breath and you should move as slow as possible. The people who have especially knee injuries or any arthritis problem, they should completely stop practicing moon salutations. So without talking much, grab a mat and let's see how to practice moon salutation.
Stand tall, feet grounded on the mat. Now spread your feet hip width apart. With inhale, raise your arm up, and with exhale, bend slowly towards right. Now with inhale, come to center, again exhale towards left. Make a wide stance wherever you are comfortable. Now feet are pointed out 45 degree. Inhale and with exhale, bend down to Utkata Konasana. Stay here for 1 to 2 breaths and don't lean forward. And then inhale, come up and extend your arm. Now adjust your stance and with inhale, extend your torso and with exhale, bend towards your right into Trikona Asana. Look towards your left thumb and then inhale, extend your spine and with exhale, get into Pashvottanasana, which is pyramid pose. Now stay here in whichever level you are. Try not to bend your knee. And now slowly come up and now place left knee on the mat carefully and keeping right knee and ankle in a line. With inhale, extending palm up to Anjanasana and with exhale, come down. And now adjust a bit to get into Skandasana, where my left foot is pointed upward, and from here again get into the left side of the Skandasana, again keeping my right foot extended out and active. And from here again inhale to Anjanasana. Here left knee and foot are in a line and right knee on the floor. Inhale to Anjanasana and with exhale again hands down and get into pyramid pose. Again stay wherever you are comfortable. It's completely fine to stay and keep looking in front of your body as well. And now with inhale, extending my right foot, right arm on top of my body into triangle pose and keep looking towards the right thumb. And now with exhale, come up to center, extending arm and adjusting the feet for Utkata Konasana. And again with exhale into Utkatasana. And now with inhale to center and again inhale back, hands goes up, exhale towards the right and inhale to center and with exhale towards the left and again come to center. Now we will practice from the other side. Again inhale here and keeping feet hip width apart, inhale, hand raise up and with exhale slowly bend towards left, inhale to center, exhale to right, inhale to center. Now adjusting feet into wide stance. With inhale, extending my hand and with exhale, getting in Utkata Konasana. Keeping my feet little wider like 45 degree angle so that I have a better balance and keeping tailbone elongated and try not to lean forward, and with inhale come up and again adjust feet, keeping my left foot out and right foot in, and with inhale extending my torso and exhale getting into triangle pose. Keep looking towards the right thumb, and now with exhale get into pyramid pose. Stay wherever you are comfortable, to whichever level, and if you are comfortable, fold completely forward, keeping legs straight. Now, and with inhale extending my hand on top of head, and then exhale and try to adjust and get into a skandasana where I'm keeping my right foot active. And now with exhale changing the side, and now this time skandasana from right side, and here again with inhale Anjaneyasana or low lunge where left knee stays on the mat and right knee and ankle are in a line. And now again with exhale pyramid pose, and try to fold towards your leg. If not, then keep looking in front of your body. And now with again inhale we get into triangle pose, and again stay there maybe for a breath, and with exhale extend arm and come to center, and with inhale and exhale we get into goddesses pose. Stay there for a breath. Now with inhale come up, and with exhale come back to center, and now with inhale raise hands on top of head, and now with exhale to left, inhale to center, exhale to right, and exhale to center, and now relax.
I hope you liked this moon salutation video and you start practicing right from today. And on that note, if you have enjoyed practicing with me, hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel and turn that notification on so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. And don't forget to comment below that how did your practice go today, or what else you want to see from my side. On that note, I'm Malika signing off for today, and I'll see you next time. Until next time, keep practicing. Bye bye.